Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're here making another delicious recipe just for you and your family. It's mini frittatas with vegetarian sausage hash.
Oh my goodness, this is such a crowd favorite. This recipe can be modified into several different versions, but today we're going to show you the tomato, green onion, and mozzarella cheese version, and all those delicious benefits that come with it.
Absolutely. Now, studies have shown that tomatoes can help to reduce the risk of heart disease, and it's one of the non-starchy vegetables that has been linked to a decreased risk of cancer.
Now that's worth it, I'll say. Let's get started by preheating our oven to 350. Now, you're going to grab your muffin tin and lightly spray it with non-stick cooking spray. From there, you're going to whisk together your egg mixture, pour it into your muffin tin, but just do it halfway. Any more, you'll be cleaning up your oven, guaranteed. Grab a little bit of your green onion, your tomatoes, your mozzarella, and top each one evenly. Don't forget your salt and pepper. Watch that salt, I'm watching you. And then enjoy, pop it in the oven, let's go.
And for some added flavor, of course, you can top some additional cheese on each of those as well. Now we'll cook these for about 20 minutes or until the frittatas are set in the center. And once you remove them, you'll allow them to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before loosening them on the sides to remove them.
We're going to serve our awesome vegetarian hash alongside our frittata. But one quick thing, Mom. Did you know TVP and the power of protein it has in it? 1/4 cup gives you 12 grams of protein, which is phenomenal. Phenomenal. So, have a little bit of fun with it. Meaning, use a little bit of liquid smoke because TVP can mimic turkey, sausage like today, and even ground beef. That is amazing. Amazing.
I love that fact. But you still may ask, why are we using TVP over turkey or sausage? And it's because TVP enhances your nutritional intake. And it does it in a delicious way. And it supports heart health, and it also protects against heart disease and stroke. Now, let's prepare our TVP hash. We're going to bring water to a boil, and then we'll add our bouillon cube. Once that's at a rolling boil, we'll remove that and pour that over your TVP and let that sit until it's moistened. And that would be about 10 minutes. It will sit until it absorbs all the water. Now we'll move on and do our TVP hash. We'll start in a medium skillet. We'll add our sauteed onions and garlic and oil. And we'll want to cook those onions until they're translucent in color, so maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll add our TVP, chili powder, cumin, soy sauce, liquid smoke, ketchup, and cook over a medium heat. And you stir it often until it starts to take on a brown color, which would be about 10 minutes. What other great ingredient are we going to add?
You're going to add those frozen peas and then warm those through.
Yes.
Don't forget to add those potatoes and warm those through too.
Yes. The sweet potatoes will bring another level of flavor and deliciousness and healthiness.
Oh man, this is going to be so delicious. So let's plate this.
Nutritional value of this meal is off the charts.
It is. I mean, off the charts. Not like your blood pressure, but off the charts. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for fun, flavorful, and healthy recipes.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.